you happy with the picture that you are seeing here?
Mobile, this is the type of picture that we want to see across the province. The way people are responding, it means they are getting the message that it's important to get vaccinated because vaccines do save lives and they do help us in ensuring that we minimize people with severe illnesses and also the number of people that get to be hospitalized. So it is in our interest as a province to get as many people as possible vaccinated because it is only through that together with the adherence to the non-pharmaceutical interventions, that we can be able to get back to some normality, we can be able to get back to economic activity and rebuild the economic activity within the province. So what we are seeing here is a picture that we really want to see across the province.
And of course, that picture means over 1 million people have now registered, have now been administered with the vaccination. Now, what were the stumbling blocks to get here? And in terms of reaching this milestone, how long did it take Gauteng?
Look, when we started, indeed, the pace was a bit slow because obviously we started with a fewer sites because we wanted to get a feel and to get a sense of what are some of the challenges on the ground. And I think as soon as the team got a hang of it and we started incrementally adding more sites over the weekends, adding more sites during the week, but also diversifying the many ways in which people can get vaccinated. I think that really opened up and it created a platform where more and more people have got different choices to can come through. Right now, we're at a site that has got both a drive-through and a walk-in site. You've got other sites that are located at malls. You've got sites that are pop-up or mobile sites where we go through to pick points and we come through with our mobile units, we vaccinate there, we move. You've got mass sites. You've got sites that are located at the faith-based organizations. You've seen sites at mosques. You've seen sites at synagogues. You've seen sites at churches. So by making more and more sites available closer to where people are and at places that people are familiar with, that has contributed to us being able to reach the numbers that we've reached. And of course, I mean, there's a fantastic team behind the whole thing. The guys that you are seeing behind me here, these are the real champions, the real heroes of this particular program because they are the ones who are up making sure that people get vaccinated, making sure that all the logistics are in place. And I think we're still learning. There's still a lot that we think the province can be able to do. Currently, the Premier has given us a target of saying we need to vaccinate 100,000 people a day. At the moment, our average is around 55,000 a day that we are doing. We think it's a doable task because the Gauteng province is not working alone. Team Gauteng is inclusive of contributions from the private sector, contributions from the non-governmental sector, contributions from the faith-based organizations.
All right. Quickly, I just want to find out, because you are now waiting for the under-18s to register, what sort of, when you look at the fact that these people are going to be registered, keeping in mind that, of course, the 35-year-olds to the 49-year-olds, a lot of them registered. So in terms of the under-18s, are you expecting them to register very fast to get their jabs?
That is a generation that is very mobile. We know that they are in the Twitter streets and the Facebook platforms and so forth, and therefore we expect to see quite a large number of that cohort actually registering. But you know that with our sites in Gauteng, even if you're not registered and you're walking in, we will assist you. But we want to plead with them to say, if you're able to register ahead of time when your time comes, do register, come through, we will get help, we will assist you to get vaccinated.
All right. Thank you very much. Spokesperson for Health there speaking to us, Motalatale Modiba, speaking to us.